Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on a 2011 Ford F-150. We're going to be replacing fog light assemblies. It can be a very easy job. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need these parts or any others, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Alright, so one of the first things we're going to do here is we're going to come from the inside, and you'll notice that I removed the wheel. That's just for the purpose of the video. You don't have to personally do that. You can come right in from underneath and you should be able to get to it just fine. Anyways, so I'm going to take my little screwdriver, I'm going to try to pull these ears away, and I'm going to pull down gently on the wiring harness. I'm going to take a peek, make sure those terminal ends are very clean, they're not rusted or funny colors, they look great. We'll just kind of put it aside a little bit. Next, what you're going to notice is right here, there's a screw that comes up through, and there's a Phillips head on the bottom there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove that by turning to the left, unscrew it completely, so I can go ahead and get that out of the way. And then there's just going to be a little clip over here and then a little clip over on this side. I'll just push those aside and push on this and it should slide right out. So first what I'm going to use is this little tool right here. It's nice and short. It's kind of a stubby type ratchet. We sell these right on 1aauto.com. I'm going to go ahead and put it in. See if I can get this so it stops flapping around. Hopefully. Should be fine for now. What this is it's actually an adjustment for the fog lamps. As you can tell, as I unscrew, this is starting to go up, which means that the beam would be focusing down lower. So this would be the alignment screw for your fog lamp assemblies. Yes, it would be nice if you didn't have to take this all the way out, but there's the screw. Here's our spring. You can take these, set them aside. Our new assemblies are going to come with it, but who knows. So next, now we've got this so it can move around, right? Oh, look at that. Cool. Now I'm going to come around to the other side, and I'm going to try to push those pins so I can separate them away from the fog lamp unit, and then at the same time I'm going to be pushing with this hand and try to push the fog lamp out. So I'm just going to go in through here. There's one. There we go. So here's where the push clips were onto. And so when I went in, I just tried to go like this, squeeze in between the fog lamp and the push clips. And then I pulled it out and pushed, it slid it out. So I got one there. All I did was just kind of try to push it, just like that. Same thing with the other side. I went between the fog lamp and then just try to push it. So here we have our original fog lamp assembly from a 2011 Ford F-150. I went ahead and removed this. Came out fairly easily. And now we have our brand new quality 1A Auto part here. As you can tell, it's the same size. It's got the same mounting spot there. Same mounting spot on the other side. We'll bring it around. This right here is where the leveling adjustment spring and screw should be, and here's where it is. Perfect. Came with a new bulb. Wonderful. So, as you can tell, this part should go in perfectly. So if you end up needing this part or any other parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove the adjustment screw. Should be ready to come right out. There it is. Okay. Now I'm going to take my assembly, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to line up these little pitons here with the holes inside the clips. And they should slide right in, and you hear an audible click. Make sure that we're getting it in. There push. Let's see what it looks like. There we are, there's one. Okay, pivots, very nice. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put in our spring. Goes right in between the fog lamp assembly and our bracket here. We'll put the screw up through there. Okay. Put my hand in here. Turn it to the right. It's going to be much easier to align when it's actually on the ground, and I can aim it at an alignment board or a wall of some sort. But we'll just get it so it's pretty much looking like it's pretty level. There we are. We can adjust it more after, like I said. Got our cable. Click it in. Feels good. Looks pretty good. Perfect. So now we'll just do the same to the other side, and then we'll line them up.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.